ठीक है सर हाँ
Yes, sir. So, good afternoon, respected Awari sir and dear students. We are here for the 58th lecture in a series of lectures organized under the AICTE sponsored Prerna scheme for preparing our mechanical students for higher education. We are very thankful to Awari sir for finding time in spite of his highly busy schedule. Awari sir's commitment for students' benefit, their future and progress crosses all limits. In the last lecture, he gave us valuable concepts regarding numerical ability, tips for GATE exam preparations, and also the various approaches to do well in GATE and other competitive exams. We are very grateful to you, sir, for engaging these classes. Thank you very
thank you
much,
sir
sir. Thank you very
thank
much,
you
sir.
sir thank you
Yes,
okay
yes, sir.
so
So,
yes so I hope that my screen is visible to you.
yes, sir.
So this is the third lecture in this series of the quantitative aptitude, then the logical reasoning, okay, and the general aptitude. So today I will be discussing about the numerical reasoning part of the quantitative aptitude or numerical reasoning part of the which is being required in your GATE syllabus. So what are the contents of my today's presentation? That is series completion, then seating arrangement, okay, then coding and decoding. Okay, so these are the three parts which I am trying to cover in the today's lecture. Let us start with the series completion. So what do you mean by the series completion? In this type of question, some numbers or alphabets are given. They all form a series and the series changes in certain order. The series may vary also and may also have one or more numbers and the letters are missing. So the candidates they are required to observe that specific order in which the series changes and then complete the series. Similarly, the candidates have to decide about the missing letter or number that would suit for the blank space if they continue to change in some order. Okay, some common types explained in the following slide, like what we are going to see today, the number series, then the alpha series and the letter series, which means that in a number series, the some numbers will be given to you, and from that some number, either the missing number is to be identified by you, or otherwise the last number should be identified by you. Okay, similarly in the series of the alphabet, the missing alphabet will be shown to you, missing alphabets will be there, and you need to find out the alphabets, proper alphabets out of that. And there are three types of the series, that is number series, alpha series, and the letter series. Now let us see what are the tricks to solve series completion. So observe, are there any familiar numbers in the given series like prime numbers, perfect squares, then the cubes and so on, which are easy to identify, which means that one of the tricks to is solving the series completion or the series problem. You have to observe that what are the various familiar numbers which are given in the series. Okay, and then next step is to calculate the differences between the numbers. Observe the pattern in the differences. Okay, if the differences are going rapidly, it might be square series, it might be cube series or multiplicative series. If the numbers are growing slowly, okay, then it is an addition or subtraction series. And have, if the numbers are not having any type of pattern, then it is 1. Hello. If the numbers are If the differences are not having any pattern, then 1. It might be a double or triple series. Hence, every alternate number of every third number form a series. It might be a sum or the average series. Hence, sum of two consecutive numbers gives the third number, or average of the first two number gives the next number. Sometimes the number will be multiplied and will be added to the another number. So we need to check this those pattern. So types of the number series, then prime number series, that is example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. So answer, that is the given series, is prime number series. The next prime number is nothing but after 13 it is 17. So 2, 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17. Second example which is being given in the number series 2, 5, 11, 17, 23. Then the prime numbers are written alternately 2, 5, 11, 17 like that. Then the difference series, for example, the 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, comma 23. This is the difference series. Then answer, the difference between the numbers is 3, that is 17 plus 3 is nothing but the 20. So this is what the difference series is there. So 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 3 14, plus 3 17, plus 20, plus 3 20. So answer will be 20. Then example, that is 45, 38, 31, 24, 17 and dash 3 is there. So the difference between the 7, that is 17 minus 7 is the 17, 10. So you look at this one, that is 45 minus 7, 38, 38 minus 7, 31, 24 minus 7, 17 and the 17 minus 7, 10 will be there. Then multiplication series. The example of the multiplication series, that is 2, 6, 18, 54, 162. Then missing number is here, there, and 145. So the numbers are multiplied by 3 to get the exact number. So 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 3, 18, 18 into 3, 54, 54 into 3, 162. Now you have to calculate here 162 into 3, that is 486. And then final number, that is 486 into 3, 145. Example of the second, that is 3, 12, 48, 192. The number is missing 3072. So the numbers are multiplied by 4 to get the exact number, that is 192 into 4 is equal to 768. Then division number, example 720 is there, then 120 is there, then 24 is there, 2 is there and 1 is there. So if you calculate the division series, look at the division series here, that is 120 divided by 6, 720 divided by 6, so it is 120. 120 divided by 5, it is 24. 24 divided by 6, 4, 6. 6 divided by 3, 2. And 2 divided by 2, 1. Hello, काय होता? कशाला? ठीक है. So example 2, that is 32, 48, then 72, 108 and missing number is there and 243. So the number into that is 3 divided by 2, next number is 32 into 3 by 2, 48, 48 into 3 by 2, 72, 72 into 3 by 2, 108, 108 into 3 by 2, 162 and 162 into 3 by 2 is 243. So likewise you need to solve the division series problem. Then there are n square series problems, like for example the 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 dash 49 is there. So the series is 12, 22, 32, 42, 52. So the next number in series is 62 is equal to 36. Then example, that is 0, 4, 16, 36, 64. So answer is, the series is 02, 22, 42, 62, and the next number is 102 is equal to 100. N square minus 1 is equal to series. Example 0, 3, 8, 15, 24, 35, 48. So the series is 12 minus 1, 22 minus 1, 32 minus 1. So the next number is 63. Another logic, that is difference between the numbers, is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. The next number is 48 plus 15, 63. So n square plus 1 series is equal to n square. For example, the 2, 5, 10, 17, 26, 37, 65. The series is 12 plus 1, 22 plus 1, 32 plus 1. So the next number is 72 plus 1. So you need to identify which kind of series it is. So what we have studied, the types of the number series. First one is nothing but the prime number series. Second one, the difference series. Third one is the multiplication series. Fourth one is the division series. And n square series. Fifth one, n square minus 1 series. And this is the last series, which you, seventh series, which you have studied, that is n square plus 1 series. So then next series, that is n square plus n series or n square minus n series. Okay. So example of this kind of series, that is 2, 6, 12, 20 and 42. So the series is 12 plus 1. So 12 plus 22 plus 2, 32 plus 3, 42 plus 4, etc. So the next number is nothing but 52 plus 5 is equal to 30. So another logic, the series is 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4, 4 into 5, and the next number is 5 into 6, 30. Okay, here you can see that 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what will be the next number? Okay, instead of 4 it will be 5, instead of 5 it will be 6. So 5 into 6, 30, 30. Another logic is there, that is series is 22 minus 2, 32 minus 3, 42 minus 4. The next number is 62 minus 6 is equal to 30. Then n to the n cube series, the example of n cube series, that is 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216. The series is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube. The missing number is 7 cube, 3 is equal to 343. So n square plus n series, that is example of this one, 2, 9, 28, 65, 126, 217 and 344. So the answer is, the series is 1 cube plus 1, 2 cube plus 1, 3 cube plus 1, and the missing number is 8 cube plus 1 is equal to 5. Meeting our first. So n cube plus n series, that is a example of this series, that is a 2, 9, 28, 65, 126, 217 into 344. So the series is like 1 cube plus 1. 1 cube plus 1 is nothing but the 2. Then 2 cube plus 1, that is 9. 3 cube plus 1, 65. So the missing number is 8 cube plus 1, 500. then n cube minus n to the n cube minus 1 series, like for example the 0, 7, 26, 63, 124, 342. The average series is 1 cube minus 1, 2 cube minus 1, 3 cube minus 1. The missing number is 6 cube minus 1, 215. Then n cube plus the n series. So for example, the 2, 10, 30, 68, 130 and the 350. The series is 1 cube plus 1, 2 cube plus 1, 2, 3 cube plus 3. The missing number is 6 cube plus 6 is equal to 222. N cube minus 1 n series, that is example is 0, 6, 24, 60, 120, 110. The series is 1 cube minus 1, 2 cube minus 2, 3 cube minus 3. The missing number is 7 cube minus 7, 336. So another logic for this one, the series is 0 into 1 into 2, 1 into 2 into 3, 2 into 3 into 4, like that. So missing number is nothing but the, here your 6 into 7 into 8, that is 336, because last number is shown as a missing. So 0 into 1 into 2, 0. Then 1 into 2 into 3, 6. Then 2 into 3 into 4, 24. Like that. The n square plus n square series, n cube plus n square series, that is for example 2, 12, 36, 80 and the 150. Now in this case you can observe that the series is 13 plus 12, 23 plus 22, 32, 3 plus 32 and the missing number is 63 plus 62, 252. So n cube minus n square series, example 0, 4, 18, 48, 100. The series is 13 minus 12, 23 minus 22, 32, 33 minus 32 and the missing number is 63 minus 32 is equal to 180. Then xy or the x plus y series. Okay. For example, the 48, okay, then 12, then 16, okay, so 48, 12, then 76, then 13, then 54, comma 9 and comma 32. So answer is 4, 8, 4 plus 8, 12, 7 plus 6, 13, 5 plus 4, 9, 3 plus 2, 5. Like this. You see that this number is missing. Here 48, 36. This is a different kind of number. 48, 36. First 12, then 36, 76, 13, 54, 9. So this is xy or x plus y series. Then there will be a factorial series. For example, the 1, 1, 2, 6, 24, 120. So answer is factorial 0 is 1. Factorial of 1 is 1. Factorial of 2 is 2. Factorial of 3 is 6. Factorial of 4 is 24. Factorial of 5 is 120 and factorial of 6 is 720. So the alpha series, in the following alphabet series, one term missing as shown by the question mark. Those missing terms from the options like a U, O, I, A, E, C, S, G. And the series consists of the vowels like a E, I, O, U. So if you look at the series, the A, E, I, O, U vowels are given and they are written in the reverse order. So what is the missing here? Missing here part is nothing but the vowel E. So A, E, I, O, U. This is called as the alpha series. So in the following alphabet series, one term is missing as shown by the question mark. Choose missing term from the question. So Y, W, U, S and Q. So the series consists of the alternate numbers and that too in the reverse order. So Z is missing. So Y, okay. So X, Y, Z is there. So Z is missing. Then Y, then X is missing. Then W, Okay, similarly, after the Q, what will be there? After the Q, what will be there? That is O and M will be there. In the following alphabet series, one term is missing, which is shown by the question mark. Choose the missing term from the question, that is C, G, K, Q, W, T, S, R. So W is nothing but the vowels plus 2. Find the missing term in the ELFA, GLHA, ILJ, MLG, NA. So what is the logic here? The second and fourth letters in the series, that is L and A, are static. Means if you see here second letter L and the final last letter A, it is static. Similarly GLHA, similarly ILHA, similarly MLNA. So L and A are the static letter. The first and third letter consist of an alphabetical order beginning with letter E. Okay, so here E, here F, here G, H, okay, I, J, then what will there? K, okay, after K, then L, K, L, then M, KLM, and then repeating word is nothing but A. So your answer is nothing but KLLA. So K, which was alphabetically, it is coming after E, G, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Then your L will come here, okay, KLL, and then finally it is A. So answer D is the correct. Then find the missing term, that is WFB, TGD, QHG, okay, dash NIJ, NIK, NJK, OIK, PJK. So your answer is WTQN. Same pattern it follows. Then coming to the later series type of the numericals. So in the later series type of numericals, okay. So complete the series BA, then the BA dash BA dash BAC dash ACB dash CAB AACB BBC. So answer is here none of this, because if you look at the series, you will find that in this letter series there is no proper sequence or anything is being there. Similarly, N dash M and P dash dash P dash NPMN dash MNP. So PMNPM, PMN PMN PM, PNPMM. Hello. हा माझा क्लास चालू आहे थोडं, दोन दोन नंतर फोन कर मला. The block letters of the NPM has been repeated. So option is nothing but your C, where the block letters of NPM has been repeated. Okay, find the 5 missing letters of the series. Find the last 5 missing letters of the series, that is PQ dash ST dash P dash RSS dash PQ. So the last letter of each block of 5 letters is brought in the beginning of the next block. The number and letter analogy, that is Q1 3 is to colon 3 is to 12 is to, then 5 is to what? 3 is to 12, means 3 into 4, 12. Then 5 is to what? Okay. So this is what you have to calculate. So 5 is to uh, 26, that is the 30. Then another question in this number series, that is 7 comma 13 comma 20 comma 27, and then the blank is there, then 39, 35, 42, 36. So look at here, 5 into 1 plus 2, 7, 5 into 2 plus 3, 13, 5 into 3 plus 5, 20, 5 into 4, 7, that is 27, and then 5 into 5 plus 11, okay, it is 36. So answer is 36. Then 12, 14, 31, then 98, 399. So here also the answer is coming out to be 2006. So the this is about the number series, and number series can be basically studied with the help of the practicing and having a brainstorming with your peers, brainstorming with your people, and then okay, then we can come to the conclusion, or we can find something output of that. Now the next part in this numerical ability is basically the seating arrangement. So here we deal with the questions having information regarding the seating arrangement. So we are giving some objects, and then we have to arrange them according to information provided. Objects are arranged either in row or in a circle, or on the basis of such conditions. In some questions, we will also deal with other arrangement like a square, pentagon, hexagonal. The different types of sitting arrangements are there. There are two types of questions which are generally asked in the various competitive examination. One is nothing but the type 1, that is arrangement around a closed path. So in such type of questions, we are giving some clues regarding the arrangement. So we have applied these clues on a circle, and using this information, we have to find the solution of question associated with them. In this arrangement, we also deal square, pentagon, hexagon questions before solving type 1 questions. So following facts are necessary to know. What are the facts are there? So for circular arrangement, in this arrangement, some persons are sitting around a circle and they are facing the center. And in this type of arrangement, we arrange people or objects around a circle or a table. In case of people sitting around a table, the table could be of any shape, that is a rectangular, square, circular. In the table arrangement, below arrangement, these some persons are sitting around a circle and they are facing to the center. For example, this is in the right direction, this is in the left direction. Left movement also called the clockwise rotation. Left movement is nothing, it is also called as the clockwise rotation, and right movement is also called as the right movement, also called the anti-clockwise rotation. Then rectangular arrangement, two arrangements which you are seeing. This is a right arrangement in a square table, and the left arrangement, this is A, here B, okay, opposite C and D. So AB, that front with each other, CD, front with each other. You might be going into the hotels or the restaurant where you may find the similar type of rectangular arrangement or the circular arrangement, and you may coming across the similar kind of thing. But here in this case, we have to solve the questions based on this arrangement. Therefore, we should understand the fundamentals of the basically the sitting arrangement and fundamentals of the alphabet system, number system, and its sitting arrangement. So for hexagonal arrangement, let us see, this is the right side, this is the left side, and which are meeting with each other. And this hexagon, that is A, B, C, D, E, F. 6 corners are given for a hexagon, and they are being numbered as A, B, C, D, E, F. So A and D, look at the A and D. A and D front with each other. B and E, then front with each other, and C and F the front with each other. So we have to keep the following thing in mind while solving the setting arrangement or puzzle based question. That is, do not be intimidated by the size or the language of the question, which means that the size of the question or the language of the question, it may be somewhat twisted one. So you should not be intimidated by the size or the language of the question. Okay, this is one thing. Read the entire question carefully. Okay, every detail required to form the sitting arrangement, which is mentioned in the question. You just need to observe properly and implement all the facts logically, which means that the questions are not wrong, the questions are properly framed, and if you read the details which is being given regarding the questions carefully, you will find that you need to just observe and implement the all facts logically. Remember, even when combined with puzzles, the approach of the questions will still remain the same as that of the normal sitting arrangement. Consider all the possible scenarios which may be formed as per the given question. A lot of possibilities will cancel out as you move forward with the question. So the practice, this is only the way you can expect to ace this topic, which means that only with the practice we can solve the such type of seating arrangement question. Now directions for the questions 1 to 5. Read the following information carefully to answer the questions given below. 9 persons, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, are watching a movie in a theater sitting in a row facing north B. Okay, read the question carefully. 9 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I are watching the movie in a theater sitting in a row facing north B and facing north. B is at the end of the row. H is seated adjacent to F, G, F and G. C is to the immediate right of the D, and at third place to the right of the E. A is the immediate left to the F, and F is at the right third place to the left. Now question 1, you have to answer this question. Who is sitting at the center of the row? Okay, so here we have to arrange 9 persons in a row. So how we will arrange the 9 persons in a row? First, we will fill the direct information. It is given that B is at the one end of the show. So B may be at the either end of the row. So we have to use the following two cases. So either B is on this side, left hand side, or the right hand side. So next in the last line, it is given that F is at the third place to the B. So the arrangement will be rejected as there is no place to the left of the B, which means that this position of the F is given, which is at the third place to the left of the B. So the first arrangement, like left of the B, it will be rejected as there is no place to the left of the B. So now fix the position of F in the second arrangement, okay, which means that in this arrangement, second arrangement, and then write the F here. Again, there is information about the position of A with respect to F. So A is right next to the left of F. So here the if we place A at this position, the arrangement will be AF. Okay. Just keep looking on the information which will relate remaining persons with those who are ready arranged. It is given that H is seated adjacent to the both F and G. So H is in between the F and G. So we can have the A, F, H, G and B. Now C is at the third place to the E. Okay, so there is only one possibility that E sits at the other extreme end. So we have the arrangement of E here. Now the C is the to the immediate right of the D. So the final arrangement with this logic which is being given is nothing but EID CAFHGB. Once you make this final arrangement, then you are able to answer all the 4 or 5 questions or 1, 2, 3 questions which is based on this particular logic. So hence A is sitting at the center of the row. If you look at here, 4 letters are there on left hand side, 4 letters are there on right hand side. So A is sitting at the center of the row. So the answer is option is 2. Who is at the other end of the row? So we know that the final arrangement is this one, AIDCAFGB. Okay, already B is given, that B की position कहाँ पे है ये already दिया हुआ था. So who is at the other end of the row? That is nothing but the E. So E is at the other end of the row. So therefore answer is option 2. Which of the following statement is true? E is 2 seats away from A. D is one extreme end. I and G are neighbors. Okay, there is one person between F and C. So look at again the final arrangement, E, I, D, C, A, F, H, G, B. Hence there is one person between F and C, which is true. Therefore answer option is 4. Then what is the position of the F with respect to the D? So second to the right, okay, second to the left, second to the right. So again, looking at the final arrangement, hence F is sitting third to the right of D. Therefore, answer is option 3. If all the okay, so this is what it is given. If all the friends are allowed to sit alphabetically from left to right, then the position of how many friends will be remain unchanged? 1, 2, or 3. Our position of all will change. So if you look here, the given arrangement of EID, CAF, HGB. So if they are arranged in alphabetical order, then the arrangement will be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So which position is remain changed? If you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, position of F. Position of F is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the F position will remain unchanged. Therefore, answer is option 1. So this is called as the basically the sitting arrangement type of questions. Normally, once you prepare the table, once you arrange this alphabet as per the logic, and if your logic is correct, then in that case you are able to answer all 5 questions. And it is easy also, within the quick time you can answer these questions. Otherwise, what will happen if you do not try to attempt it logically, and if you feel that the questions are very lengthy, first question, the information which is being given is very lengthy, then in that case you will be missing all 3 questions or all 5 questions which is based on this particular topic. So next topic is coding and decoding. So let me check whether everything is going on perfectly or not, and then we will continue. Yes, so it is going on perfectly. So I will go to my slides again.
Perfectly going, sir.
Decoding. So in the coding and decoding, you can see that several colors are being shown. Okay, and our questions now, they are based on the coding and the decoding. So the coding, what do you mean by the coding? Coding is a system of signals. This is method of transmitting information in the form of codes or signal without it is being known by a third person. For example, the computer science and engineering, information technology, electronics and engineering students, they most extensively deal with the coding and decoding. So decoding, that is the person who transmits the code or signal, is called the sender, and the person who receives it is called the receiver. So transmitted codes or signals are decoded on the other side by the receiver. So this is known as the decoding. So the order of the English alphabet, that is forward order position, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like a 26 alphabets are there, 26 is being given. So A, B, C, D up to Z. Backward order position also is written. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 26. So this rough calculation you have to do it immediately for solving such kind of coding problem. One, write the scale of forward order 1 to 26, put it alphabet in between, and then backward order position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 26. By using EJOTY and CFILORUX formulae, we can easily remember the position of the letters of English alphabet. So 3 means C. Look at this one. 3 is nothing but the C. So F is nothing but the 6. So what is F? 6th position is there. Then L 12th position, O 15th position, then 18 R position, then the 21 U position, 24 X position, XYZ. So Z is nothing but 26 position. So sounds like a medicine name, like a CFIL or okay, and it sounds like a girl's name Jyoti. So EJOTY. So it is like a medicine name which we are remembering now. It is like a girl's name Ejoti. So it is to be remembered like that. Now backward order position of a letter is equal to minus 27. So forward order position of the letter. So backward order position of the letter is equal to minus 27th of the forward order position of the letter. For example, the backward order position of the B. What is the backward order position of the is 27 minus forward position of B. So 27 minus forward position of B is equal to okay, this much 25. So for example, if CUP is equal to 40, these questions will be there. Then KIT is equal to what? Okay, CUP is equal to 40. So solution can be determined like a CUP. Okay, C is nothing but 3, U is nothing but 21, and P is nothing but 16. So total is coming out to be 40. Similarly, KIT. So K is 11, I is 9, T is 20, and 5 is E. So 11 plus 9 plus 20 plus 5, 45. Using the forward letter position, because this is in the forward letter position. So this scale is very important, which I have taken up now. If you draw the order of the English alphabet, forward order and the backward order, then you will be solve this type of questions very easily. Then example 2, what is the number place of G from the right side? For example, 10, 20, 25, 30. So 27 minus G is equal to 27 minus 7 from left. What is the number of G from the right side? So here it is 20. By using VULGB and XUROLIFC, we can easily remember the positions letter of the alphabet in the reverse order. That is V is 5th, Q is 10th, L is 15, G is 20, and B is the 25 in the reverse order. Here reverse order, X is 3, U is 6, 9, like that. Okay, I is 18th and F is 21 and the C is 24. If BAG back is equal to 71, then what is the meaning? What is the VIC? So BAG back. So B is nothing but the 25th from the reverse side. A is nothing but the 26th alphabet from the reverse side, and G is 20th. So BAG, that is 25 plus 26 plus 28 is equal to 71. What is the voice? So from the reverse order it is being taken. So V is nothing but the L, M, X, R, S, means A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. V is 5th position. I is 18th position, C is 24th position, and E is 22nd position from the reverse order, from the backward letter position. So taking the sum of this one is nothing but the 69. So your answer A is correct answer. If the sum of two letters is 27, then both letters are at appropriate position of each other. Some pairs of opposite letters can be remembered, which is given below. For example, okay, here it is given, that is the D plus 23, D plus 3, okay, 20, D 4 plus 23, okay, is equal to 27. Then B plus Y, 5 plus 25 is by is 27, c plus x 3 plus 24 it is 6, it is 27, G plus 7 plus 20, GT road that is 27, I plus R Indian Railways 9 plus it is 27, and M plus N 13 plus 14 is equal to 27, that is man. Now example, in a certain code, that is lake is written as OZPV, how will back in that same code? Okay, so here the solution which you have plotted now. Now lake, how the lake is written? So L is 12th word, A is first alphabet, K is the 11th alphabet, and E is the 5th alphabet. Now similarly, the O is the your 15th alphabet, Z is your 26th alphabet, P is your 16th alphabet, and V is your 22nd alphabet. So what is being given, that is what happens, 12 plus 15 is equal to 27. Okay, then 1 plus 26, this is 1 and this position is 26, here 27. Here 11 plus 16, 27. 5 plus 22, 27, which means that the difference between these alphabet, if you plot it on the number, the 27 is being maintained. So here also we have to maintain the 27. Okay, here also we have to maintain the 27. So position of back is being given B, A, C key. So B position is 2, A position is 1, C position is 3, and 11. So here what we will do now? So 2 plus, okay, how much it is to be kept? It will come out to be 27. It is 25th alphabet. What is 25th alphabet? Y. Similarly, 1 is taken. Okay, 1 if we added into the 26th alphabet, it will come out to be 27. So Z, 3 is there, then 24th alphabet is X, 27. Here K position is 11, so 11 plus 16th alphabet is 27, 16, that is 27. So YZXP is the correct answer. So solution is C, that is YZXP. Okay. So these questions are very easy to answer, but you should know the strategy behind it. If you don't know the strategy, then it is very difficult to answer this type of question. So let me check again whether it is going on correctly. Yes, it is going on correctly. Okay. Just a minute. So these questions are very easy to answer, but you have to know the strategy behind it. It takes a little time if you follow the strategies, and now we are going to discuss the strategies. So types of the coding and decoding, there are 6 types of coding and the decoding, that is letter coding, then the number coding, then the mix coding, then mixed number coding, decoding, and the symbols coding. So this is what the types of the coding and the decoding is there. So example 5, if a certain code language picture is written as QHDS VQF, how would browser be written in that same code language? Okay, so clearly the letters in the picture are moved alternately. Okay, one step forward. So instead of P, Q is there. Instead of I, H is there. Instead of C, D is there. Instead of T, S is there. Okay, and one step backward to obtain the letters of the code. So P plus 1, Q, then I minus 1, H, then C plus 1, D, T minus 1, alternately, plus 1 plus minus 1, alphabets are arranged. So here browser will be written as, so browser will be written as B plus 1 C, R minus 1 Q, O plus 1 P, then W minus 1 V, then s minus 1, s plus 1 t, e minus 1 d, and r plus 1 s. So what is the correct answer here? CQPVT, CQPVT, DS. So answer B is the solution is the correct. Then example, taking example ahead. In certain code language, the ITNIETAM is a code for intimate, means INTIMAT. Then which of the following words has the word that is trivenetarbi? So these are the options which is being given. Now don't try to put up the tukka, or don't try to just answer the question illogically. You have to look at the questions logically, arrange it and try to solve it. These are all the methods which you are basically trying to study for our subject. For example, the letters of the first tab and the next half of the codes are separately reversed to obtain the word. So we have ITNI, then INTI. Okay. So similarly, ETAM, ETAM, here ITNI. What is being reflected here? Okay, ITNI is reverse. It is reverse, also shown in the reverse order. ITNI. So both the sides I is there. Only position of T and any change. ETAM. So ETAM here, ETAM, E and M positions. Okay, here it is being changed. So it is TR. What is being asked? TREVNI. So TREVNI can be written as INVERT. And second, ETARBI. So IBRATE. So we have break this into the basically the two parts, that is ITNI is been broken into the two parts, and we have written that is intimate. Then this is also the broken, and then it is being written that is INVERTIBRATE. So answer here invertebrate. Answer D is the correct answer. Okay. Example 7. In a certain code language, BAT is written as YZG. How will SIG be written in that same code language? So here BAT, what I have plotted, here YZG, here I have plotted. So B is nothing but 2 into 25 is equal to 27. Okay, 2 plus 25, 27 difference is maintained. 1 plus 26, A is alphabet 1 and Z is alphabet 26, so 27. Here T is 20 and 7 is the your G position 27. So we got the logic. 27 हमें maintain करना है यहाँ पे. So 27 maintain करने के लिए A साइ C एक already लिख दिया. So S की position क्या है? 19. तो आठवां पोजीशन वाला कौन सा है? H. उसमें ऐड किया तो 27 आ जाएगा. देन I पोजीशन इज 9. सो 18th पोजीशन हमें चाहिए. R is 27. Then third position is C. Then 24th position of the alphabet is X. That is 27 is maintained. Then K is 11. Then 16th position of the alphabet is P is equal to 27. So how we will write this SIC now? SICK is being written as HRXP. So logics are simple, but you need to practice it. You need to understand it. Okay. So this is about the coding system and all these things. Let me check whether I have sufficient point or not. Okay. Yes, 55 minutes are there. So again, I will continue for 2 to 3 minutes and then we will stop. So direct letter coding. In direct letter coding system, the code letters occurs in the same sequence as the corresponding letter occurs in the word. So this is basically a direct substitution method. If more than one codes are given, then the required code can be derived from the question itself, and you are not required to solve it mathematically. So in a certain code, locate is written as 981265 or spark is written as 47230. The code for cascade can be derived from a common letter in locate and spark. So which means that ये अभी सी ए एस के ई टी का हमें निकालना है, तो ये दोनों के बीच में वर्ड्स आ गया एक्चुअली एल ओ सी ए टी 981265. स्पार्क मतलब क्या है 47230. So locate and spark. So for a word in which letter repeats at those same pattern repeats for second letter in the word itself. Example, test has a code of SZRSD. So in this case, the code for T is S. So code for the T is nothing but S, which is the first alphabet in this word. So S in both cases. So the coding pattern is -1 for T, and then it will be same for all the letters. So taking the example of this particular topic, in a certain code language, the star key is written as LBFMG and mobile is written as TNRSPJ. How will the blame will be written in the same code language? So using the direct coding letter coding method, for example, SLTBAFRMKG. Okay, and after L here MT OB BRISLP. So here B is nothing but the B is R, L is P. Okay, A is blame is to be given. So A is F. Okay, and M is T, and then E is J, because star is written as LBFMG. So S is replaced by L, T is replaced by B, A is replaced by F, which is given, R is replaced by M, and K is replaced by G. अब आपको मोबाइल का निकालना है. मोबाइल, what the mobile is being, mobile is being written as, मोबाइल को क्या रिटर्न किया है, TNRSPJ. Now look at this position, that is blame is to be written as. So blame is nothing but replaced by R. L is replaced by the your P, and A is replaced by F. Okay, A is replaced by your F, and M is replaced by the T. M is replaced by T, and E is replaced by the J. So RPFTJ. Likewise, you need to solve the numbers problem and the alphabet problems, and you have to continue in this fashion, and you have to practice it. Now the remaining part of this my presentation, that is a number symbol coding, okay, disparate message word, and all this part, and then coming up with the gate solved question, that I will engage in the from this part in the next class, means number or the symbol coding, because now the time is over, and for you also there may be the regular classes which are being scheduled. So thank you very much. Over to organizers.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you for
Thank
finding such a beautiful time. And I know the students must have learned a lot. कंसेप्ट
you.
जो आपने समझाया बिल्कुल एकदम सरल तरीके से समझ गए एकदम.
हाँ,
सो
उसमें
थैंक यू
ट्रिक्स
वेरी
है,
मच सर. यस
प्रैक्टिस
सर,
करेंगे तो ट्रिक्स आ जाएंगे.
ट्रिक्स आ जाएगा. हाँ, आपने
हाँ, और
बिल्कुल
एनीवे गेट के लिए तो काम नहीं आएगा, लेकिन बाकी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन के लिए भी,
सभी के लिए
जहाँ जहाँ
बिल्कुल.
सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनीज में एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट लेते हैं, उनके
यस
लिए
सर,
भी वो यूजफुल रहेगा.
बहुत ही
ऐसा.
दिया मैंने प्लेसमेंट के लिए, जिसके लिए सबके लिए
यस
पूरा एकदम हेल्पफुल है.
यस यस.
So thank you very much, sir. So,
थैंक यू सर.
okay. And sir, when should we schedule our next lecture?
मैं आपको मैसेज करता हूँ वैसे, कब कर
Right,
सकते हो,
right,
है
sir.
ना?
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank
ओके
you.
सर,
Thank
थैंक यू.
you. Thank you.